Hello, all my cooking experts, and welcome back to Manish Soulful Cooking. And today we are preparing a Rayalaseema Royala Igru. This is basically a prawn fry, and this dish I've got inspired from one of the very famous restaurant in Hyderabad, which is called Rayalaseema Ruchulu. This is something which is real spicy. It is made dry, a little dry, on an onion and tomato based gravy. So let's go and check it out how it's done. So over here I've got 500 grams of tiger prawns, which is cleaned properly, deshelled and deveined. Into that we will add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, that's healthy, half teaspoon of salt, half of a lemon juice, and we will give it a nice mix. That coat the prawn with the salt and turmeric over there and keep it aside. Now for the masala, in a pan we will add red chilies. I'm adding around 8 to 10 red chilies over here. Now we will add 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. Then we will add 4 to 5 cloves. Into that we will add fenugreek seeds, that's methi dana, around quarter teaspoon. Then we will add sarso, that's rye, quarter teaspoon. We will give it a nice mix. We will just stir it till the aroma comes out from the spices, and then transfer it into a grinder bowl. And once it's cooled down, we will grind it. Now we will boil little water just to boil our prawns so that the smell goes out of the prawn. Remember, this process is just to get the smell out of the prawn, not to cook the prawns. So we don't need to overboil it, just boil it for a minute, not more than that. And after a minute, we will just strain the prawns completely and let it dry it up. Once the prawns are dried, we will take a heavy bottom pan or a vessel. Into that, we will add around 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we will add our strained prawns into it. And we will gently stir fry it into a medium flame till the prawn turns up to be reddish or a golden brown. You can see the color of the prawn. At this particular stage we will take the prawn out of the heat. Now into the same oil we will add our chopped onions. This is around 2 large onions chopped, finely chopped. And then we will add around 7 to 8 green chilies, which we have made a slit in between, a handful of curry leaves. Give it a gentle mix. Let it cook till the onion turns up its color. In the meanwhile, we have just grinded our masala to a powder. You can see that. Now the onion have changed its color. Now into that we will add around quarter teaspoon of turmeric, that's haldi powder. We will add around 1 large tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll give it a nice mix and we will allow it to cook till the ginger garlic smell comes out of it. And once it's done, we will add our chopped tomatoes. This is around 2 medium sized tomato which is finely chopped, and then around 1 teaspoon of salt. We will stir fry all the things together, and then we will slow down our flame and let it cook till the tomato gets little mushy. So once the tomatoes are mushy, we will add our masala into it, the grinded masala which we have kept it ready. We'll mix it together, add little water so that everything combines together, and give it a nice mix. At this particular stage, we will add our prawns which we have kept it ready. And into a medium flame we will stir fry the prawns into that masala so that everything combines together. Now you can see everything is quite well mixed up. The masala has coated the prawns almost, and it's looking amazing as well. Now at this stage we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Over here I'm using a spicier version. This is a Guntur red chili powder. And we will add a little salt as per your taste, adjust it as per your taste. And here I am using around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. In actual recipe you can add tamarind pulp, but the thing is tamarind pulp needs a lot more time to cook. so I'm using vinegar instead of tamarind pulp, and then a handful of freshly chopped coriander. We will mix everything together. We'll slow down the flame, cover it with a lid and let it cook for around 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, you can take the lid off and you can see the prawns are ready to be served. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So here is my version of the spicy Rayalaseema Royal Iguru prawns dry preparation. I'm sure you're gonna like this. Do try this at home and share your feedback in the comment section. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Till then, keep cooking, keep eating and stay healthy. And yes, if you have enjoyed the video, do like and subscribe. Bye for now.